Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy. I am so glad you decided to stop by. In preparation for the new year, I wanted to start it off with a freshly cleaned home. And in this video, I will be doing a detailed cleaning of my master bedroom. I'm going to start with my bed. I am removing all of the bedding, all of the pillowcases from each and every pillow that I have on my bed, and I'm going to be throwing those in the washing machine. So while my bedding is in the wash, I'm going to move on to dusting. Let me tell you something. I absolutely love the versatility of my Dyson vacuum. I can vacuum with it, I can dust with it. It's amazing. To wipe down the surfaces of my bedroom, I'm using this multi-purpose spray that I purchased from Grove Collaborative. It smells great, it works great, and it happens to eliminate the amount of surface spray I own, which is pretty cool. I also got a glass spray cleaner, and it came with that awesome caddy that you see that I've been kind of lugging around everywhere. That's my oldest son. He's fooling around with his football gear right now. Ever since football season, he kind of still puts it on and enjoys it. He's standing in front of my mirror, by the way. Kind of just enjoying himself. He's a character with a lot of energy, and I just love it.
It's scared, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 falling.
This little guy is my youngest. I only have two, both boys, as you can see. And he has just as much, if not more, energy than my oldest does. So from that alone, take it from me, we live an extremely energetic lifestyle. And sometimes I can't even keep up with our life, which you will definitely get a taste of if you decide to follow along this journey with us.
Forget all the problems just for the moment. That is the kind of story you should see. Just open the eyes of your own heart. The trials of life brings us new experience, so just keep on moving to the light. You are your mind and soul. You won't find them twice at all. And someday you'll see the home where you always been belong.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. But you react to me. We are reacting so much differently. Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild.
I had such a great time filming this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope that it's motivated you to get a jump start on your cleaning. I have so many videos coming up, some lifestyle, home decor, and even some health tips. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to join me on another video, please consider subscribing. See you next time.